you like to use sticky notes? Today in this video, I'll be teaching you how can you make sticky notes at home. So without any further delay, let us see the materials needed. First, you need some color papers of your own choice. You can also use a white A4 size sheet. Next, you need is a scissors. Then you need is a tape. So you can also use white tapes or black tapes. सबसे पहले हमें पेपर को फोल्ड करना है. You need to follow the steps shown. Now we will open the paper, and if you see the boxes are there, so we will cut it. So these many pieces of papers I have got from A4 size sheet. Now we will follow the same steps for the color papers also, and I have taken here yellow and red colors. You can choose any color of your choice. Now we will stick them with the help of tape. So first take a piece of the tape and see the way I am folding it, and I am making it into double-sided tape. Now we will take one piece of paper, and this tape folded we will keep it at the top of the sticky notes of the paper. Then we will take another paper and we'll paste it on the first paper. Now after you have done this tape, again take the tape, fold it and take another paper and paste it on the before one. यही सेम स्टेप हमें फॉलो करना है जब तक हमारे पेपर्स खत्म ना हो जाएं. After doing this step, we will take scissors, and you can see the corners are not that perfect. So we will cut it with the help of scissors, the corners, to give it a shape. And our homemade sticky notes is ready to use. So these many I have made, and not only these, I have made some other sticky notes also which I have already used. Now it's testing time. So let us write something. Okay, I'm writing study for yourself. Now gently take it and we'll paste it on our wall. So this is my study place and where I record my art and craft videos. The sticky notes can be easily removed and again it can be pasted.
So I give it 9.5 out of 10.
So this orange sticky note, I have placed it here and I have written music is my life.